Now we will learn about the SQL Server. Okay, this chapter is to learn the SQL Server, but before start anything, we need to discuss about 2 points, which are SSMS and Database Server. Look, SQL Server Management Studio, the application. This is a studio application. Studio means by which we can do something. The studio application, this is provided by the Microsoft itself. And the studio, by this studio we can connect or interact with the database that are stored in database server. What is database server? Definitely database server is the server where the database are stored. Okay, and what is database? We have discussed in my previous video, but I am discussing again. Database is an object where data and the relation between data are stored in a structured way. This is the database. So now we know what is database, what is the database server, means the database where the database is stored, and and if we need to connect with the database or database server, we need the SSMS, means SQL Server Management Studio. So this is the fundamental thing we need to know. Okay. So now how can we connect the database to the SSMS? We need to open the SQL Server Management Studio, and then I need to connect with the database server. Before when the SQL Server Management Studio is opening, it is giving us a window that we can connect with database server. To connect with the database server, we need to select first the server type. There are various types of services provided by the SQL Server itself. Microsoft is providing services like database engine, analysis service, reporting service, integration service. You have listened about the SSRS, SSAS, SSIS. You have I know you have already heard about those. So these are the things is provided by the SQL Server, Microsoft SQL Server. And we need to select the data server type. So here we will work only with the database and not with the service, analysis and integration. So we will select only the database engine. Server type is database engine, and server name. Server name is the IP address or host address and port number of the database server where the database is stored. It can be in a local system, it can be another system. If it is located in another system, then you will need the internet connection between the two systems. Otherwise, you will not be able to connect. But in my case, it is in my local system, so I will not need any internet connection. So this is the server name. It is my local server name, and I am I already entered the server name. Now the authentication here, only the Windows authentication and the SQL Server authentication is very mostly used. What is Windows authentication? Windows, you are already logged into the system Windows, and you have the authentication key. You will just use this authentication key to log into the SQL Server database. But it is possible only when the database is located in the local machine. If the database is located in another machine, another system, another server, then you need the Windows authentication will not work there. You need the SQL Server authentication, where if the database is in your local system, you also will be able to use the SQL Server authentication. So both cases you can use the SQL Server authentication. SQL Server authentication will record the login and password of the database server. Okay, so you will use their login and password, and you can use the remember password for the future. And now I will use the Windows authentication. That's why I am selecting and clicking on the connect. Now the database is connected. Now we need to create database first. Suppose there a database is blank. Database blank means database server is blank, means the server has no database. In that case, you need to create the database first. Then you will create table under the database, and then you will insert records in the table, and then you will be able only to do something with your database. Okay, otherwise you will have no data in your database server. So first I am expanding the databases. Okay, I have one database already, but for learning purpose, I will create another database. How to create a database? Fine, I will need to click on the databases and the pop-up will come and I need to choose the new database option. Here the one text box already focused, and here I can give the database name. Okay, I am giving the name of the database student records, and click on this is giving me an alert message saying that student records is already available. The database name student records is already available in the server. Good. One server cannot hold duplicate database name. Means one server cannot have two databases with same name. Fine, I am just changing the name and giving a student record 1. Now I will see the databases files. Here I am seeing here one is student record 1, the name the same with the database name I have typed, so we can assume this is the name of the database. Yes, this is the name of the database, and the file type is rows data. Okay, but another file, the name is along with the underscore log. This is a log file, the name of the log file. SQL Server, when you will give a database name, SQL Server automatically add the underscore log and create another file for log file. What is log file? Log file means it will log all your activities, all the other users activities for the database, for this database. Suppose what records are inserting in the student record 1, what records are going to be modified, and records are deleted, everything will be logged in the log file. File type is log, and the file group is primary for database and not applicable for log file. Initial size of the database is 8 MB. It's default for both log and database file, but the growth or max size is 64 MB. Means the log file and the database file should not be more than 64 MB. Okay, but we can increase this size. On our requirement we can increase this size, because the current world it is not possible that database can hold only 64 MB data, because their data is huge. The huge amount of data are storing in our current databases in the world. So there can be a terabyte size of data stored in the databases. So the size can be increased. By default, this is the primary size given by the system itself. Okay, fine. And this is the path of the database. With the database file, the object file will be saved here, the data folder, and the log file will be saved here, the data folder. We can change the location, but now I am not doing anything here. Now all things are available in the general tab. If I am clicking on the option, then another page will come. Here for the beginners, I will tell only the compatibility level. This is fine for you. SQL Server 2017, but the compatibility mode up to the 2008. Means suppose you are working in the SQL Server 2007, but your original database is available with the version number 2008. In that case, you will not be able to your current work will not be able to work for your original database, because you will not be matched with compatibility. In that case, we will select the 2008, because the original database version is 2008, and I will select here 2008. And if I am clicking on OK button, then my all work will be compatible with the original database. but in our case only we have the 2017 database in our local system, so the 2017 is okay with me. Okay, so what I'll do, the database already created, I'm seeing here, and but no table is available there because I haven't created. So I will create a table. How? I'm right clicking on the tables, and then pop-up will come. Pop-up is come, and I will need to select the table option. I need to give the field name first. Table, not table name. I will need to give the field name first. So what I will do, I will give field name. Suppose I am going to create a student record database, so I need student data. So what the data is required for the student, so it is first name of the student, okay, and then surname of the student, okay, then DOB of the student, class of the student, okay, and that's all. And I'm clicking go to the file. Here I will get the option to save this table 1, and I'm clicking on that and change the name. Table 1 is default name. We can change the name according to our requirement. So I am giving as name the student data. Student data, fine, and clicking on the OK. Okay, the table is not reflecting here. What I need to do, just select the database and then to click on the refresh button, then go to the tables, and the table is available here. If I need to insert the record, as of now I will click on the edit top 200 rows, and I can add here any record. Suppose my name is Arnav, surname is Banerjee, my DOB is 22 12 and 1982, and class is suppose it is studying in class 7. Okay, I am a very poor student. I am reading class 7, and this is mine. It already saved in the database. So how can I check the database data already saved in the table? I need to go. I need to click on the student table again. Right click, and then I select the select top 1000 rows, and now the row I have just inserted is listing here. That is in that way we can get the data stored in the table. Fine. Okay.